Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we will make a secret compartment inside a book. For the book I picked up one nice antique book from a local thrift shop for just 20 cents. Book name is Nykytieto, which is a dictionary of how to use Finnish language. It doesn't have some special value as a book, and that is the reason why I will do this. Otherwise I would never destroy a book. Of course, every book has some value, but this one is a common, not so old to be considered as antique or to be considered as work of art. As you can see, the book also has some errors that originate from the printing press, so we will remove it. When you are thinking about from where my secret box should start, it is completely up to you. This book has a very strong antique cover, so I will start with hollowing from beginning, but you can always jump, let's say 20 pages and start from there. First thing that we're gonna do is glue the pages together, and for that I'm using simple glue for paper and wood. Of course, in case that you decide to jump the first 20 pages, you should glue them together too. After you have finished gluing the pages, separate them with one sheet of paper. I will use a baking sheet, because it has a greasy side to which the glue will not stick. Press everything with some weight and leave it to dry. After a few hours, or time that you can see on the glue instruction, we are ready to start to hollow the book. Let me just remove this residue from the glue. Size of the box is also something that you can decide, but I don't recommend going too close to the edge of the pages. I want to make a nice jewelry box, so I will use the width of the ruler as a dimension. First step is to draw the box edges. After drawing, you can start with hollowing the book. For the first several pages, use a ruler and some kind of the scalpel. Take your time doing this and remove just a few pages with every step. This process will take time, but on this way you will make nice edges of your box. Later, when there is already some depth in your box, you can continue hollowing without the roller. Just be careful and do it slowly. After you reach the depth that you want, and again, I don't recommend going all the way to another cover, you need to glue pages inside the box. Once again, use the baking sheet to separate the pages, press the book with some weight and leave it to dry. I'm satisfied with the final result, and if you want, you can leave it like this. There is no need for additional work. But I want to make the box even better, so I will use this black decorative self-adhesive paper to line the bottom and sides of the box. If you want, you can also use a fabric, such as velvet. I tried to make everything from one piece of paper, but the paper kept sticking in the wrong way, so I was afraid to tear the pages. So I decided to cut everything separately, first bottom and then the sides. As you can see, everything looks really nice and I'm really satisfied with how it turned out. I know that I say that this box will be a jewelry box, but I think that it's better if we use it as a secret treat box. I think you all know that it's impossible to open a bag of treats without the cat appearing at the speed of light. Emma is always patiently waiting for her turn, but today Munja is so greedy. But don't worry, Emma got her treats later. That was all for this video. If you like it, hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more content from us. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.